drops coming into the rain, and clouds when go. And floating rain means the water will be go like a boat. And the water floating the rocks is a wet rocks. They are floating to go. And the grass is wet, so the floating there is like a boat. And